Hey everyone, in this video we're going to learn how to connect Ngrok with OpenAlgo. This is very important because if you want to do automated trading using TradingView, or if you want to connect your OpenAlgo application with Google Sheet, then Ngrok is very important. So if you go to the pricing section, you can see that one of the important feature which is provided by Ngrok is the free custom domain, a free static domain, which is very much important to serve our HTTP apps, which is the OpenAlgo apps. If you want to connect with TradingView, it is very important because you can able to connect the OpenAlgo webhooks and OpenAlgo APIs with the TradingView platform. So now let's see how to install Ngrok and what are the configuration that we have to do. It's hardly a few minutes of installation. Once you're done with that, you will be able to do automated trading using TradingView. So this is going to be an one-time setup. So if you are looking for a complete instructions, you can always go to docs.openalgo.in. From here you can go to the installation guidelines under getting started. So go to the Windows installation process. Inside that there is a Ngrok configuration instructions has been there. So you just simply follow the instruction. The first instruction is like downloading the Ngrok to your Windows application. So go to the Ngrok, log into the application. So probably you can log in with your Google application or something like that. In my case, I'm going to sign up with Google. So once I signed up with Google, the next thing is I have to download the Ngrok application. So ensure that you chosen the agent as Windows here. And once you chosen the Windows as agent, go to the download section. So go to the download section here and download for Windows. It will be downloading a zip file. The zip file is what very important. You have to open up the zip file. So let's say I'll go and open up the zip file here, and I'm going to copy the Ngrok application. Just copy it, go to your C drive, create a folder name Ngrok. So here I already created it, and then paste this Ngrok application over here, right? So once you copy pasted the Ngrok application, the next one is like creating the environmental variable for Ngrok. You just go to your search and then type environmental variable. So you automatically will be able to see that edit system environmental variable. Click on that, and once it opened up the system properties, go to the environmental variable section. From here, go to the system variable section. Under here, go to the path, click on edit. So from here, you should be able to add a new path over here. Click on new and enter the C:/Ngrok. In my case, I already added it. So this is the one which I had already added it. The same information you'll be able to see it in the documentation section also. So if you go to the OpenAlgo documentation under Ngrok configuration, first is download of the Ngrok, which we had already completed. The second one is extracting the zip file. So we'll be copying the ngrok.exe file. The Ngrok application will be storing under the path C drive:/Ngrok. So whichever the folder that you had copied, the same thing you have to add it to the Ngrok path to the environmental variable. So now if you scroll down, you'll be able to see that the Ngrok has been configured in our environmental variable. Now once you configured, right, now you'll be able to use Ngrok. Whether your Ngrok is working or not, how I'll be able to test it out? Very simple. Open up an command line application, just simply type Ngrok, right? So Ngrok, you should be able to see something like this, right? So you should not say like the command is not recognized. Instead, you should be able to see some help commands, some of the examples of Ngrok. So that means your Ngrok is working fine. So the next step is setting up the Ngrok free custom domain. Let's see how to set up the free custom domain. So you have to go to the Ngrok portal, navigate to domains and new domain, and you have to create a new domain over here. So that's what we're going to do here. I'll go to the Ngrok portal. From here, I have to go to the domain section, which is under the cloud edge. So go to the domain section. In my case, I already created it. In your case, you have to go and click on the new domain, and it will create a unique domain for you. It's a static domain. The domain name will not change. And this is the one which gonna use it as a part of our TradingView webhook. So copy this domain, and you also have to copy your auth token as well. Go to your auth token section, copy your auth token as well. So here is the auth token here. So this auth token is what you have to copy it. So copy both auth token, copy both the domain names, copy it and keep it separately. So that is what I'm going to do here. I'm going to go to the auth token. Let me copy this information. Let me put it in a notepad here. So that is the auth token here, followed by the domain name. Just copy the domain name over here. Just copy it and keep it separately. Now once you're done with this, the next step is editing the Ngrok configuration file. So in order to do that, open up your command prompt. From here you just go and type ngrok config edit. So this will open up the Ngrok configuration file. In my case, I already configured the Ngrok configuration file. So you have to enter your auth token and you have to enter your host name over here. So if in case you need a sample format, you can always go to the Ngrok configuration. From here, if you scroll down under the setting up Ngrok configuration file, you just copy this and paste it in your the Ngrok configuration file, and replace this auth token and replace your host name with your host name. So that is the only thing that you have to do. Once you are done with that, save the Ngrok file, so that we will be proceeding to the final procedure, which is like configuring the Open Algo with Ngrok in the environmental file .env file. So once I done with this auth token, so let's say I'll do this. So just copy this and then I'll change auth token. And finally, I also configure the application over here. So this custom domain, I just replace the entire custom domain over here. Once I'm done with that, I'll be saving the Ngrok custom configuration. And then I'll be opening up my Open Algo. So this is where the final configuration that we have to do. I'll go to the .env file. From here, I scroll down. I ensure that I allow the Ngrok configuration to be true, and the host server, I'm gonna change this host server to my Ngrok custom domain application. So which means I'm gonna change. So here is my Ngrok custom application over here. I'm going to copy this and I'll ensure that I'm going to add HTTPS in the front. So ensure that it is HTTPS, right? So https://active-python-teaching.ngrok-free.app. That is my custom domain. So ensure that you are including HTTPS:// in the front along with your custom domain. So once you are done with this, press Ctrl S. Once you enable the Ngrok allow to true and you also configure the host server with your Ngrok custom free domain, and now it's time to run the Python application. Just simply type python app.py. So this will be starting the Python application along with the Ngrok URL. You'll be able to see the Ngrok URL over here. So now just what you have to do is like you have to just log into the portal. So I'm going to log into the application over here. Just log in. And this will be automatically taking you to the dashboard. So once you are automatically logged into the dashboard over here, the next thing that you always have to go and check is like you have to go to the TradingView and finally ensure that the TradingView webhook URL is configured over here along with your Ngrok custom domain, right? So from here, you'll be able to generate your TradingView JSON generator. Select the symbol, product, exchange, and your exchange. Once you select with the exchange over here, click on the generate JSON. You should be able to see the TradingView webhook URL along with the configuration message, along with your API key and the instruction for placing orders. Maybe in the next video, we'll try to understand how to configure the TradingView strategy for automated trading with OpenAlgo. See you in the next video. Thank you.